Micro Four Third is dead. The Olympus OM5, EM5 have a really bad over sharpening video quality. OM1 is very big. Panasonic G9 Mark II is a monster. I need something lightweight. Canon R50. Canon R50 or R7. If you like to carry big camera, R7. If you want super lightweight, R50 with this. Don't get the R10. Don't get the R100 crap. Get the R50 super tiny camera. And this is the full frame 60mm, so it remains 60mm on the APS-C. So this is the lens why I bought this camera. This is the most exciting lens. You know, there are some stupid people out there. I have zero respect for the idiot out there. Why? Let me explain. Look at the bloody size of this lens. This lens is tiny. People complain it's f4.5. Then what? I know Canon is gonna release a 10mm or 11mm f1.8 lens very soon. I already know. I have some contact. I don't have a contact with any Canon, but I have some contact with the wholesaler or something like that. Okay, I don't want to speak. I don't want to tell you. I didn't say anything. I was lying. Okay, I don't want to get into trouble. There's upcoming bright lens, but that okay with OIS different story. Let's forget about that. On OM with Panasonic 9mm f1.7. I can't shoot over ISO 200. With this camera, I can shoot ISO 8000 comfortably, 6400 like a butter. Plus, it have a OIS. I can easily shoot with this camera with the OIS up to like 10, 30, even like 20 over second. And this is the reason why I get the R50, and this is the reason why I get to do Canon APS-C. Why I didn't get the Canon R8 with the 60mm for vlogging? No OIS. If I get the 15 to 30, I cannot fit. I cannot fit with me. The best camera is the camera always to carry with you. I mean, remember the Sony 10 to 18 crap or the now 10 to 20 crap. Very bad lens. No OIS. This is the reason I get. Manfrotto pouch. Look, Manfrotto. Look. I put my camera inside. Okay, let me just close, and I can travel anywhere. The best camera is the camera with you. Wow. You only need 4 lens. People complain Canon don't have lens. You idiot. You need 10 to 18 RF, $300. 18 to 45, only $50. Or because around $50 extra you have to buy with a kit. I mean, I'm talking about if you get it 10 to 18 to 45. Okay, 18 to 45 with the kit, it only costs you $50. This one $300, and this 60mm f2.8 $200, 50mm f1.8 $200. You need only 4 lens: 10 to 18, 18 to 45, or 18 to 150, or the 55 to 210 or something like that. Yeah, and the 50mm. You only need 4 lens in the beginning, because this all 4 lens made by 50mm I cannot find. Can you see the sizes? This is the reason Micro Four Third is dead. This is the reason Micro Four Third is dead. Look at the size. Look at the size, guys. Look at the size. Can you see the size? This is the reason Micro Four Third is dead. R50, this lens is murder. This is the reason don't get to Sony crap. Sony crap, A6700, expensive camera. Very bad camera when it comes to IBIS. Unless you turn on the active stabilization work very good on the daylight. Once it night time, I don't like using electronic stabilization unless it's from Canon EIS, only 1.1x crop. This 10mm become 11mm, or I turn on the auto level, get amazing video. But if you want battery smooth like gimbal, 10 to 18 with R7, you don't need a gimbal anymore. But R7 is bigger in size, but you don't need a gimbal anymore. So now subscribe, buy some camera lens from my affiliate link. I need your pennies. Bye.